Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Emmanuel Christian Academy up against Central Branch All Age, both from Kingston. I am your host, Kadeen Foot, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the coin toss and Central Branch All Age won and decided to send in Emmanuel Christian Academy first. So we begin with Emmanuel Christian Academy. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer, and this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have that time on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. Emmanuel Christian Academy, which gospel is not one of the synoptic gospels?
John.
Correct. Central Branch, what is the 39th book of the Bible?
I don't know what it is. What is that? Maybe it's dark over the mic.
Question passes to Emmanuel. Would you like to try?
Just say it like Ephesians.
Yes or no?
Yes, please. Yes. Ephesians.
Incorrect. It's Malachi. Still with you, Emmanuel Christian. This is science. Is dengue fever caused by a virus or a bacteria?
Bacteria.
Incorrect. It's a virus. Central Branch, is leptospirosis caused by a virus or bacteria?
Bacteria.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs, Emmanuel Christian. In which parish is Treasure Beach a community tourism site?
Saint Anne.
Incorrect. It's St. Elizabeth. Central Branch, in which parish is Alligator Pond?
Saint Mary.
Incorrect. It's Manchester. English language, Emmanuel Christian. Spell beneficial.
Beneficial. Beneficial.
Correct. Central Branch, spell attachment.
Attachment.
It's ATCH.
Incorrect. ATTACHMENT. Television, Emmanuel Christian. What is the name of Batman's sidekick in the animated series?
Robin.
Correct. Central Branch, what is the name of Batman's arch enemy in the animated series?
Joker.
Correct. General knowledge, Emmanuel Christian. In which country are the cities of Munich and Stuttgart?
Germany.
Correct. Central Branch, in which country are the cities of Marseille and Lyon?
America. England.
Question passes to Emmanuel Christian. Would you like to try?
Yes, please. France.
That is correct. Social studies. Still with you, Emmanuel Christian. Which Jamaican national hero was fondly called Daddy?
Sam Sharp.
Correct. Central Branch. Which Jamaican national hero was described as a fearless Asante warrior?
Nanny of the Maroon.
Correct. Music, Emmanuel Christian. Which Jamaican artist recorded the hit single "Nah Sell Out Me Friend Them"?
Assassin.
Incorrect. It's Cargo. Central Branch. Which Jamaican artist recorded the hit single "Watch Your Friends"?
Spice. Come on.
Question passes to Central Branch, to Emmanuel, sorry. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Okay, the answer would have been Da Vinci. Mathematics, Emmanuel Christian. What is 567.168 rounded off to the nearest tenth?
567.27. 567.2.
Correct. Central Branch, what is 812.089 rounded to the nearest hundredth?
It's 800.
Well, the bell beat you to it. It passes to Emmanuel. Christian, would you like to try?
Yes, please. 812.09.
Okay, judges, I got two answers there. Which one did you hear first? Two answers came a while ago. Did you hear the correct one?
It said to the nearest 100. Yeah, someone said.
We'll come back to that. The bell ended this segment, so we'll just check that in the break. But for now, the scores are Emmanuel Christian Academy on 7 and Central Branch on 3. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.